Hello, my crafty friends. How are you today? This is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. Thank you for joining me and for commenting, liking, and subscribing my videos. Lately, I've just really enjoyed communicating with everyone. So what you're looking at is a box of goodies. I am doing an unboxing here for Sola Wood Flowers. And let me make sure I'm telling you the right thing. Sola Wood Flowers. And so I wanted to show you how nicely it's packed, first of all, and then I'm going to tell you what this is all about. So this is the box that they come in, and let me take everything out now that you've seen how they pack it. Let's see, I haven't taken it out either, so we are doing live, not live, but you know what I mean, on video unboxing. So here's everything. I've got 4 things, 5 things, a little note here. They had said fragile on the box, so I don't want to break anything here. Here's a little note, and I've got some extra packing I can reuse. This is a very nice box. I can reuse that, so let me put that over to the side. So I was contacted by solawoodflowers.com to, do a demonstration of and work with their product. So what they are all about is they make these wood flowers. So let's go to the wood flowers first, and then I'll show you what comes along with the wood flowers and what you do with them and what they're made out of. Are they made out of wood? I'm going to let you know. So if we're crafty, a lot of times, how we, I make junk journals and paper crafting, but if you're crafty, you do a lot of different things, even though you don't maybe show it on video and you're a YouTuber. I've made centerpieces, I've made wreaths, working with different silk flowers and things like that before making wreaths and centerpieces. So here's the little note. Thank you for supporting us. We rely on happy customers like you to help us grow and appreciate every referral or review. And thanks, Madeline. Okay, so Sola Wood Flowers. I was thinking wood when I first heard the name, but Sola Wood Flowers this is what's on their website. Sola Wood Flowers are derived from a tapioca plant root, also known as cassava, manioc, arrowroot, and yucca, grown in tropical climates. So this is an all-natural product. And so let me show you. I guess they call them wood because they're made from the root of plants. So, and if you want to see how they're made, they actually have videos on their channel, on their website, showing people making them. So it's really, really cool. So let me show you, because these are really cool, and I'm going to be making something or some things with this package of flowers. So, they invited me to do a demonstration on their flowers. And so they said I could pick out, what I wanted to demonstrate. So I picked out a beginner kit, because I've never worked with these particular flowers before. So, I don't want to pick out anything over my head. So I'm not going to dump all of these out, but there's different types of flowers in here I can see right now. Different shapes and things. And this is called a beginner kit. Here's my little packing slip. Beginner centerpiece kits. Boxwood greenery kits. Yeah, you pick out your, like with this, I got to pick out the beginner centerpiece kit. Then I picked out my greenery, which I picked boxwood. And they sent me, I don't know if I picked it out, but they sent me also something that's called Sola Softener. And I'll be working with that, so you'll see what that's all about. But let me show you the flowers. They actually feel very kind of, well, they feel kind of delicate, but that's so that they come out looking, you don't want to, if it was actually wood, would it look like a real flower? See this material, when you're done, I mean, right now it even looks like a real flower petals, and I haven't done anything with it yet. Here's the bottom part where it's all put together, held together. So that's one. Let me show you this one. This is really beautiful. Look how many layers are in there. Can you see that? Can you imagine making that? And they like kind of, I watched the video a little bit of how they make it, and they kind of slice layers off of that root, off of the roots. Slice layers off. So these are layers. See all these layers here? And they're all, they put them together. It's really quite amazing that it's actually an all-natural product. Here is another one. Look at this, how beautiful. It's got 2 tones in there. And it looks like, you know, somebody dyed it or something and made it that color, but that apparently is just a natural product from the root they took this from. Here's a little piece that's loose. But see how beautiful that is. I just love that. Let me show you. Let me show you up close and make sure I'm showing you in the right. Let me make sure I'm showing you in the right part of the camera. So let's see. Did I show you all the different kinds? Let me make sure. Yeah, the little, that one. I think that's all the different kinds in here. Okay. So let's see what else I got to work with. So those are the actual flowers, and look how many are in here. Quite a few. So if I want to make a wreath or a centerpiece or both, I mean, this is supposed to be for one centerpiece, right? But I'm thinking I can make more than one thing, right? So we're going to see. Oh, here's a little card in here too. Oops. All right, there's a little card, like a little florist card in there. But I've got a hole here, so I'm not going to try to get that out right now. I don't want everything to fall out. So let's see what else I got. I've got some floral foam, which will come in handy for a centerpiece or whatever I decide to do with it. Let's see what this is. You get a little box with this one, a little wood box. So let me see. Let me get my scissors and see what this box looks like. Okay, yes, it is a plain wood box. It is actually wood though. See, a nice little wood box. I can decorate, I can paint, I can do whatever I want with this, right? So let me see, let me tell you how big it is. Across here, it's 6 inches. And it is this way tall. It'll be sitting like this. It is about 3.5 inches. And let's see, is that all the measurements? This way deep, it's about 3.5 inches. So very, very nice, sturdy, thick wood. See that, how thick that is? Nice wood box. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see what else we have. Let's look at the greenery before I squish it here. So this is the box wood that I picked out. Let me see. I think I can just rip this top of this bag here. Well, maybe not. Let me cut it. It's stronger than it looks. Okay, so the greenery, there's quite a bit here. And so I can cut this up or use it however I wish. Let me see. Let me see if I can get it all out of here. I'd like to see what it all looks like, right? And what it's made out of. So this is kind of like a silk plant, maybe. It feels like, I don't know, like, you know, any regular kind of greenery you would get at, you know, in the floral section of wherever you get your silk flowers and things like that. So it has a nice green stem here, so it'll all blend in. And there's quite a bit here. 1, 2, like 3. This one has like 2 branches on it. These are, no, this has 2 branches on it too. 2 or 3. Okay, so is it wiry? Let me see. I don't want to pull on it too much and tear all the leaves off, but see, like I'm doing. But yeah, see there's like 3 branches on here. It's a little wiry, so I can move it around, it looks like. So there's like 3 branches on there, a couple on here. Looks like there's a couple, 2 or 3. Oh, this is all one. And there's like, you know, 2 or 3 branches here, 2 or 3 branches here. So this can be used as a whole or cut up. However, I'll have to have my wire cutters handy. But there's quite a few branches on this piece too. So that is a lot of greenery. Plenty of greenery, I would say, to add to our flowers. And then this is, I think, let me see. Let me see if there's more than one thing in here, because I said the softener. Nothing in here. Let me put that over to the side and see what is in here. It's more than one thing, or I think I know what else is going to be in here, but because I watched a lot of videos off their website, and and you know, I watched other demonstrations on YouTube and things like that. There's so much you can do with flowers, right? So many different craft projects. I have a number of them in mind, but we'll see how many I can do with this one bunch of flowers. And then maybe they'll send me some more. And I can do my other ideas for you and try other flowers. But this is taped up very well, as you can see, with some packing tape. Lots of paper wrapped around here. It came pretty quick after I ordered it. It came actually very, very quickly. So no problem there. If you wanted to make something and you had a party coming up or something and you said, oh, or you just want a new decoration for your door before the summer is over, you could order these real quick. Okay, but yeah, there is more than one thing in here. That's what I was wondering, because I thought there was going to be more than two things, more than one thing left to open. Okay, so that's all the paper. So this looks like maybe a glue stick. Hey, they even sent me a glue stick. That's awesome. To, you know, in case you need to hot glue things together. These are, see, they look like little dowels. There's rubber bands here. But these are sticks to use for your stems. Nice, strong little, like, see, they look like skewers almost. You know what I mean? And they have a sharp end here. I imagine that's for poking into the end of a flower. Like this. You can poke it in and, yeah, it goes in. Because these are, like I said, they're not wood. They're made from a root. So they're actually kind of right here where they bring them together. They're actually soft. So this just went in there really easily. And you can see I've got my stem. And then you can cut this to whatever length you want. You know, if you want a short flower or a long flower. They showed people making beautiful wedding bouquets out of these too. And you color them the color you want to match your wedding. So awesome. So you look how many you get too. That would say I have plenty of skewers. I'm going to call them skewers. Let's see, what do they call them? They call them bamboo. Oh, they made of bamboo. So these are bamboo stems. Well, that's another natural product. So awesome. And then this is the wood softener. So it's 1 ounce, and it comes in this little, it's in this little Ziploc bag, and it's a glass. Is it glass? It feels like glass. It really feels like glass to me. I don't know. I think it's a little glass bottle, so that would be reusable. Or plastic would too, but it just feels like heavy, a little bit heavier than plastic. So I think it's a glass bottle, as far as I can tell. I'm not guaranteeing that, but it might be plastic. Anyway, there's the softener, and I'm going to read more of what this is all about. So let me open it real quick and see what's in here. Okay, there it is. It doesn't smell at all, so if you're worried about any kind of, you know, smelly chemicals, it doesn't smell at all. I smelled no scent at all there. So, yeah, that's everything that was in my package. So, I'm thinking of a wreath, but I have some pie pans that I would like to make. See, I want something, you know, if you watch my channel, you know I like to make different things. I like to make unique things a lot of times and do my own thing. So I have some pie pans, and I have to get those out, and I might make a pie pan wreath either now or in the future with some of these flowers. Let's see. Let me look at them again. So see how I needed to look at the petals in person to see exactly what I could do with them too. See how they're layered and small. So I didn't know what I could get in there. These two are tightly, like this one is tightly woven. So I'm not going to be able to, the softener, you soften these, and that's one thing the softener is for, is separating out and shaping your petals. So that, and then so we got the spiky. I'm going to call this the little spiky. This is like a rose, and they tell you what kind of flower these are. They don't say what kind of flower these are, but on this particular package. But yeah. So, and then this one. See, this one, once you put the softener on there and you maybe dip it in some color or something, these, you can shape this and open it up and shape it the way you want. But as far as putting anything else on here, I don't think so. I was thinking of decoupage, but I don't think that's going to be possible. But you can color them, like I said. I was wondering about flattening them out, if you could flatten them out. I didn't know about that, because, you know, our journals, we like things flat, you know, flat a lot of times. So I didn't know if you could flatten them out. I want to work on decorating this container, painting it, decorating it, you know, according to my home decor. So we're going to work on that. Is there anything else? Okay, so today I had a couple of ideas that I had not seen anyone. Like I said, I watched quite a few videos of people working with these flowers, and I had an idea today that I had not seen anyone do. Now, I'm not saying nobody ever did it, but I didn't see anyone do it, and I watched quite a few videos. So I think I'm going to work on that, because I thought it would be really cute with my home decor and current decor that a lot of people would use in their homes, and it would go with a lot of people's homes. So I'm going to, let me see. That is everything that's in here. Okay. I thought there was going to be one more thing, but I don't see it. So anyway, we will go from here and see what I do. Just stay tuned for, I'm going to say, we might do one video on decorating this, and then, you know, a video or two of working with the flowers to get it all together, since my camera only lets me do 30 minutes, you know, at a time. This, you know, different parts of this might take, you know, that long, and we might have to let things dry, and, you know, that kind of thing. So we'll work on this together, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope if you know, continue watching so you can get ideas, but also, you know, check out the website. I'm going to link everything below, the website and whatever. I think I have a link that's just for me, so if you click on my link, that will help them know that you saw my video and got the you know, information from me. So thanks for watching today, and thank you to Sola Flowers for letting me try out your beautiful flowers. I love this two-tone one. This might be my favorite right here. Like, you wouldn't even have to do anything to that. It's just beautiful with those two colors on there. So I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.